Hello and welcome to the today's video on Python. Myself Ramoji Chandana, working as instructor in FrimityEdutech. So without further delay, let's get into the video. From this video, you use it to learn the syntax of Python, what are the comments in Python, what is variables in Python. So let me show you the syntax of Python. For any programming language, nothing but Python, a syntax is a soul to a body. It can construct a language. So in syntax is a set of rules which gives shape to a language. Language is nothing but a set of syntaxes. So learning language means learning syntax. So it is must and should to a programmer who wants to learn programming language. So doing syntax or defining syntax is different as with a environment. So for the command line, it should be involved in 4 easy steps. First of all, you have to go to command line and then type Python. So it redirects to the Python terminal, and then in the Python terminal you type what you want to print. So next, in ideally integrated development environment, you just do this 3 simple steps. First of all, open the IDLE, then type the command. Just run the command by pressing F5 key. So let me show you practically. First of all, just open the command line. Here first you just type Python, then it redirects to the Python terminal. Here you just write print your name. So I am just specifying name. In the place of name you should write your name, or else you want to print a number, you just pass a number to it. So yeah, then it prints the number. So it different with the integrated development environment ideally. So first of all, you have to open IDLE, then go to file, create a new file, then here you write the syntax, print the name which you want. For strings, it's must and should to give quotes, double quotes or single quotes, it's compulsory. So if it only involves with the strings. So I just want to write a name here, so I just giving name. So yes, and running the command by pressing F5. So after you press F5, it asks to save the code. Okay, then click OK. It should open a dialog box. So select the location. I am selecting this and naming this as syntax. Yes, and just clicking save, it should be saved. So it should print on the console name. So yes, comments. What are comments? If you ask me what are comments, comments are nothing but adding a line of comment for each working of code makes it easy for programmers to analyze any code in just one view. Okay, basically writing comments is a good practice for developers and helps them to analyze any code, makes the code more complex code to easy one. So here are 2 types of comments. They are single line comments and multiple line comments. Single line comments are that here you should write only one line of comment by using a symbol hash. Okay, now let me show you an example. I just opening my IDLE. So here I am writing, as I am writing addition. Okay, by clicking enter, then I am mentioning 10. and 20, then print 10 plus 20. Okay, I'm removing this. I'm just directly adding 10 plus 20. Okay, next click F5. It asks you to save. Click and OK. Then it prints 30 on console. Here you show. So comments are not shown in output screen. It just only used to show or analyze or to understand the code. What are they developing by using this console? So next, what are multiple line comments? So if you want to put a number of statements in a comment box for your understanding purpose, so you just give a triple quotes to any number of lines you want to put it under comment. Okay, now let me show you. Then I am giving a equal to 5 and v equal to 50 and c equal to 90. Okay, then I am using to print 10 plus 5 plus 90. So to execute this, I am clicking F5, or else you click run. Then it shows you a run a module. So click that. Source must be saved. Press OK to save. Then press OK. It opens and it shows you the output, but not the comments which you mentioned in this triple quotes. Okay. So next, what are variables? Variables are nothing but a mug or a container which contains the data and gives a name to it. Okay, Python is statically typed, so because of this you need not to declare variables before using them or declare their type. Okay, you just create a movement. We first assign a value to it. Okay, a Python is a name, variable is a name given to memory location. It is a basic unit of storing a program. Here, as you shown in this image, a Python is just like a mug, water mug. So data is water in it, which gives the name to the data. Okay, next there are some basic rules while using Python variables. Okay, what are they? First of all, you can name a variable as alphanumeric and underscores. Okay, but you should not use a number or a special character before a variable name. Okay, any keyword like for, if are not used as variable name. Okay, Python thinks it is a keyword but not the variable name, so it might convert to a mistake. Python variable names are case sensitive. Okay, so let me show you an example by opening this IDLE. So I am just showing what are the do's and don'ts you should do by giving variable name like this. I hope you this is clear to you. Okay, I am just creating a var1 as a variable name. var1 is a variable name and 20 is the value or the data which I assign to a variable. Then next I am creating a variable with a underscore. So you should create a variable with an underscore prior to it. So I am giving value 30 to it. So what don't you do? What don'ts are, you cannot give a special character like I am giving @ giving var3 and assigning value of 80 to it. So it might converts, or it might create a error. So you should not give any number before a variable name. So a variable name cannot start with a number. So I am giving 9 var4 and assigning value 60 to it. So you should give variable as case sensitive. So I am giving in uppercase var5. So I am assigning the value as 70 and press enter. Then I have to run the program. Then I am pressing F5. So source must be saved. So I am pressing OK. You notice what are the errors committed by us. So as I said, invalid decimal literal. Okay, here you should not give a new number before variable name. So I am removing it and then again pressing F5, again saving it. So here you see invalid syntax. So here you should not give a special character before a variable name. You should press F5 to save it. Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, this what we should do or don'ts in Python variables. So you can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication operations on variables. Okay, let me show you. If you want to perform an addition, then create another variable as var6 equal to var1 plus var2 var3. Okay, then you should print the variable number 6. Okay, like this. Then you should print F5 to run it. So here it is. It should print the addition of var1 and var3. Okay, here it is for the today's video. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.